Beaumont Maritime Attorney. Our offshore injury lawyers have won billions serving governments beyond. Maritime workers have some of the most dangerous jobs in the world, from working on offshore sailing rigs to freight vessels to cruise ships at sea. Employments can be many times more deadly or harmful than any mainland occupations. That's why our Beaumont's maritime lawyers commit our lives to helping injured offshore workers get the money they need to pay for medical care, provide for their families, and face the future with confidence. Arnold and Litkens LLP has helped hundreds of maritime workers hold manufacturers, owners, and employers accountable for unsafe practices and unseaworthy ships. Offshore work pays well, and the people who do it are often good coverages, people who just want to provide for their families. But when oil and gas companies take advantage for injured employees, it compels us to force the industry to change. However, governments, maritime lawyers can help maritime companies have access to more safety technology than in any period in history, but offshore workers still die at rates far exceeding mainland jobs. Why? In part because the work is more high risk and demanding, but in truth it's because companies refuse to pay to make employees safer. Companies realize it's cheaper to risk getting fined or cited by regulators than spend money on better safety compliance or fix outdated equipment. Diving accidents, crane failures, vessels collisions, slips and fails, dangerous equipment explosion and fires, lift accidents, post-traumatic stress and cruise ships accidents and gangway and boarding accidents. Our Beaumont's offshore accident lawyers have realized that the best way to make companies with safety is to hold them accountable whenever someone gets hurt. When injured workers take their employers or vessel owners to task for poor safety practices, it accomplishes two things. One, it increases the penalty for unsafe policies by putting a verdict or a settlement on top of the fines, and two, it ensures that the injured workers gets everything they need to provide for their families and recover from their injuries. Our Beaumont's maritime death lawyers have also helped giving families recovers the compensation they need to move forward. Beaumont oil rig accident attorney. The drilling industry is 7 times deadlier than the average U.S. industry. Offshore drilling is no exception. Arnold and Litkens has represented hundreds of oil rig workers injured in explosions, crushed by failing pipes, or families who lost loved ones in fatal accidents. In 2010, a third of the Deepwater Horizon crew knew they needed help to force their employer to give them real medical care, not just a cursory look over from the company's doctors. They turned to our Beaumont's maritime lawyers, and we did not let them down through a series of sizable settlements. We made sure our clients got the medical care they needed while providing for their basic living needs. Jones Act claims in Beaumont's for centuries offshore workers' rights were limited to maintenance and cure, and not legal principles that made ship owners and captains like